What's up, guys? Welcome back to Country Bunkers Trains. Hope you are well and having a good week. I know I've been away for a little while. I've been pretty busy. Good old life getting in the way. I have been pretty busy with the trains, too, and I've been working on several videos that I'm hoping to have out here soon. But for tonight, I figured we'd just have a little fun and just run some trains. We actually have an old friend that's returned to the layout, this Lionel Legacy Heritage Series SD70 Ace. I'm sure some of you guys recognize this engine. This engine's been around for quite a long time, about 5 years now or so. We got it back from repairs this past weekend, and I've been putting it through its paces. I'm sure many of you know I'm not really a big modern era diesel guy. This just doesn't really get my blood pumping, but this one does have some sentimental value to me. This is actually the train that has started this train room that we have here. You know, as a child, I played with trains quite a bit, but as I got older, young adulthood and whatnot, the trains escaped me, I think like many of you. And it wasn't until we moved into this house 5-6 years ago that I had an area to put the trains back up, and here we are today. Well, this engine is actually the very first train purchase that I purchased getting back into trains. So therefore, it holds a special spot in my heart. You know, this is the first time in 5 years this thing has actually ran correctly and properly. When I purchased it all that time ago, I only got about a month or so of use out of it before it started having issues. This one, as the mechanic tells me, or repairman, this one was eating itself alive from the inside out, according to him. I guess what had ended up happening was the rear motor plate, or mount that holds the motor in place, one of the screws came loose and swiveled that plate, pinching the motor. Apparently, this is a pretty common problem with this era engine. When it did pinch the motor, it killed the motor. It was drawing so many amps, it ended up burning up the motor. But with drawing so much power, it also wiped out the smoke unit, as well as the rear coupler. He had to do quite a bit of minor repairs on it, but she's here roaming the layouts once again. But anyways, I'm not going to bore you. Let's have some fun with it. Let's get these puppies up and running. I hope you enjoy.
Train inbound, am I clear? Over. Yes, switch a line. You're clear inbound. Over. Thank dispatcher. Clear into the station. Out. Dispatcher, they clear to the siding. Over. Affirmative. You are all lined up. Over. Copy. We have that clear. Out. Dispatcher here. Do you copy? Over. Roger that. Please start up and stand by. Okay. We'll get up and running. Out. We're ready. Are we clear to pull? Over. Yes, you're cleared onto the main. Over. Copy. We have that clear. Out.